Getting a star in a Mario game will make you an invincible character. Kaya lang, when it comes to business, getting a 1-star review is hindi maganda. So today I'm gonna check if this restaurant is deserving to get these 1-star reviews.
And here are the challenges. We need to go there without a car kasi mahirap daw ang parking, sabi ng isang review. We need to carefully assess kung ang mga nabasa naming review is mararanasan ba namin. And lastly, we will also give an honest review of the restaurant after our experience. So let's get started. Morning!
So Cavite. From Cavite to Manila. So I believe one of the reviews na helpful is this review. The hype is real. All of the food we ordered tastes delicious. Only downside to this restaurant is parking. Much better if you commute going here to avoid the hassle. 4 stars. This is one of the useful reviews na nabasa ko dito sa restaurant na to, and that's what we're gonna be doing.
Which is magdadrive at magpapark kami papuntang Lucky Chinatown. At pagkababa niya ng Jones Bridge, makikita nyo agad ang arc na yan na hudyat na malapit na tayo sa Lucky Chinatown. And from there, maglalakad tayo papunta sa
Binondo Church, and from here maglalakad tayo papuntang Tomas Pinpin kung saan nandoon ang ating pupuntahan na oldest fast food dito sa Philippines.
Pwede na tayong tumawid. 4, 3, 2, 1. Sisimula na ang aming paglalakbay patungo sa pinakalumang restaurant sa Pilipinas na Toho Antigua Pansiteria. We're almost there. Konti na lang yung lalakarin natin. Doon tayo sa may dulo. Nandito tayo sa Yuchenko Street. Kailangan lang nating lagpasan yung Escolta. And then after that, Tomas Pinpin na. At doon natin hahanapin yung Toho Antigua Restaurant. Dito kami tumatambay nung college kami San Vicente. Puro lang pagkain dito So isang skinita na lang. We're down here in Escolta. Yung tropical na to. Oh, sira na to. Escolta, isa sa pinakamatandang lugar dito sa Manila na naitayo noong 1594. Tinagurian din itong the Wall Street of Asia back then.
So nagkamali tayo. Nakalimutan ko na siya. Akala ko dun yung Tomas Pinpin. Pero dito pala yung Tomas Pinpin. So didiretso ulit tayo maglalakad. Tapos dun na. At sa wakas, nakita rin namin yung street name. At nasa tamang landas tayo, mga kanosi.
And sa wakas, nakarating din tayo sa ating destinasyon. Hoy, anong ginagawa mo dyan?
Ako, uy.
So nandito na tayo mga kanosi sa oldest fast food sa Pilipinas. It was founded in the year 1888 pa daw. And i-debunk natin yung mga 1-star reviews na nakuha nito sa Google Review. And one of those reviews is this. Basahin natin. Food was served cold, late serving, and very, very poor hospitality of the establishment. And the owner, foods will be better if you present yourself as a vlogger. Wow! Because the owner needs clout over quality of service. So, hindi natin dapat ipahalata na tayo nag-YouTube or nag-vlog para hindi bias ang treatment sa atin. So, let's go inside. Tignan na natin. So we arrived here at 10:54 a.m. and as of the moment, maraming masyadong tao. So we'll see what time we will be served. Tingnan natin. Just a matter of 2 minutes, nabigyan agad tayo ng table at nakaupo tayo agad. Kaya we immediately place an order. We ordered dito soup at first, kaya lang walang dito soup. So, we take spinach soup with chicken. Tapos, syempre, ang pambansang handa, lumpiang Shanghai, at lechong kawali. And then rice, syempre, yang siya. So, ito yung kanilang burger. Orderin natin yung kanilang bestseller, sabi nila, pansit daw, at saka lumpia. So, kanina nag-order tayo ng lumpia, orderin naman natin yun yung pansit. So far, mabilis naman yung service. Kaya, order ako ng pansit small lang. Oh, no! Meron na. Additional. Thank you. So, sabi nila, tinitreat daw ng maayos kapag vlogger. Hindi naman siguro. Mas pagdating namin dito, wala namang masyadong pila. Wala rin namang waiting, masyadong maraming waiting na tao. Aside from the takeout. Pero pagdating namin, nakaupo kami agad. Tapos hindi rin naman kami sinigawan katulad ng sinasabi sa review nila. Sabi kasi sungit daw na nasa unahan eh. Hindi naman. Intimidating lang tignan. Pero hindi naman siya masungit. Hindi naman din nila kami in-ignore the moment that we asked for table for 2 persons. Here's what we have already accomplished so far. We arrived safely from Cavite to Lucky Chinatown, and kahit naligaw ako, na-enjoy ko naman yung paglalakad ko dahil maraming memories na nagbalik nung nag-aaral pa ako. Napatunayan rin natin na ilan sa mga 1-star reviews ay hindi naman namin na-experience. Pero we are not done yet. We will also try to talk doon sa lalaking nasa counter later. So ako nang dumating yung lechong kawali. Yummy. Sana merong sarsa. So let's see. Titikman ko na to habang hindi pa dumarating yung iba. Walang sauce. Honestly, yung serving nila for small, ang dami I'm not expecting this kasi normally pag umorder ka ng lechong kawali sa ganito, talagang konti lang.
Pero ito, marami to para mga 2 to 3 portions.
While we're eating here, nakasit ng maayos. Yung dalawang magkasama sa likod ko, kanina pa yan nandyan, naghihintay ng take-out nila. Thank you. Sauce nito. We arrived here at 10:54. It's already 11:12 a.m. Nandito pa rin sila. So we don't know kung gaano karami yung in-order nila na take-out. That's why it's taking too long. So we'll see. And we will give you an update kung anong oras nila makukuha yung take-out nila. So tikman naman natin yung balat. Walang sauce. It's crunchy. And this is the spinach soup with chicken. Parang may lang makakain ng may chicken na spinach soup. It's soothing. Lalo na naglakad kami ng malayo. Sa tamang-tama. By the way, kaya nga pala nag-order ng ng spinach soup. Kaya kami nag-order nito. Hindi naman kasi mainit eh. Which is malayo din dun sa review na mainit daw dito. Sobrang init. Which is hindi naman talaga sobrang init. Hindi rin naman makulimlim sa labas. Mainit rin naman. Kaya I'm wondering saan nanggaling yung mainit yung lugar. So wala na yung hinihintay at inaabangan namin na makakuha ng take-out order. So ibig sabihin na ibigay na yung take-out order nila.
At dumating na rin ang aming in-order na isa sa kanilang bestseller. Walang iba kundi ang Pansit Canton. At kasabay rin nitong dumating ang Yang Chow kasama ng kanilang bestseller na tinaguri ang pambansang handa kundi ang Lumpiang Shanghai. At exactly 11:28 dumating lahat ng order namin. Pati tubig meron. Ang problema lang, basa. Walang basa. Walang sauce. Honest review about the lumpia, masarap. Kaya lang, hindi ganun kainit. So, minamadali ko talagang kumain kasi baka mamaya marami naghihintay. Pero hindi naman pala. Muntik na tuloy ako mabulunan. Pero kahit anong kain ang gawin ko, hindi talaga namin kayang ubusin lahat ng to. So, ang ending, pina-take out namin. Believe it or not, 4 pa ang nakakain. Kakausapin na natin ang lalaki sa counter.
Are you aware of the reviews na one sa Google?
Hindi.
You're not aware?
Wala sa totoo lang You cannot please anybody
Totoo.
Kahit anong pang ayusin yung pag-service, ang hirap sobra din.
Totoo.
Ako pa mismo nakatali dito, nagbabantay if ever may mangyari, ma-approach ko kagad
Agad.
I can feel him because it's not easy to handle a business, customers, employees, as well as, of course, i-maintain ang quality ng food at service. But before yan, mag-sharon muna tayo. So yung take-out at saka yung bill natin dumating at 11:54 a.m. At hindi tayo matagal na naghintay. Kumain tayo na maayos, hindi tayo nagmamadali, hindi mainit. At kahit kinabahan kami na i-approach ang lalaki sa counter, frankly, approachable naman siya at hindi niya kami sinungitan, hindi niya rin kami inignore at lalong-lalong hindi niya kami sinigawan. Sana nakapagpa-picture pala kami next time. So therefore, I can say na masarap yung food. Kaya lang hindi namin siya naubos. Only because madami yung servings niya. So really, this is a value for money. Kasi small lang lahat na in-order namin pero hindi naman to mukhang small. Hindi to pang 2 person. Mukha tong pang 2 to 3 person. So, sulit. Siyempre, it's time for us to give our honest review. And we're gonna give this restaurant 4 stars. And these are the reasons why. Hindi kami naghintay na matagal. Nakaupo agad kami, hindi rin kami nainitan sa loob. Na-serve ang food namin in 30 minutes. Masarap at para sa amin justifiable ang prices. Wala din namang hype sa resto. Nagkataon lang na oldest resto sila. Pero hindi naman namin nararamdaman na hinhype siya. We believe na mai-improve ang food and kindly serve it ng hot. And pagdating sa service, please don't forget to serve ng baso. Pwede kasing may mabulunan anytime kagaya ko. Overall, it was a great meal. Sulit at we'll go back for sure, and pagbalik namin, we believe 5-star na ang rate namin. And that's it mga kanosi, and thank you so much for your support by simply subscribing to our channel. And remember sa pagbibigay ng review, mag-isip mabuti and be nosy responsibly.